Hi everyone, how are you? Hope you're all fine. I'm Miss Sheerin, an American English teacher. Last time, you learned about verb to be, positive form, and the present simple. Today's lesson is grammar, verb to be, negative form, and the present simple part 2. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Let's remember first, what is a verb? A verb is a word that describes an action or a state of being. Examples: eat, sleep, read, drive, breathe, swim, knock, etc. Verb to be, it's a special verb that shows existence or identity. Uses of verb to be. We use them to tell our names, nationalities, jobs, feelings, and ages. So, what is negation? Negation in grammar is using negative words to change the meaning of a word or sentence to show it's untrue or not happening. Verb to be, negative. Verb to be and the negative form of the present simple is the same as the positive form, but with the word not after am, is, and are. How to form a sentence with verb to be and the negative form. Subject plus verb to be plus not. Let's remember the subject pronouns we took before in a previous lesson. I, he, she, it, they, we, you. So it's gonna be I am, he, she, or it is, they, we, or you are plus not. I am not. I am not. Examples: I am not silly. I am not in Paris. I am not 30 years old. I am not plump. I am not texting him. I am not lazy. He, she, or it is not. He is not. She is not. It is not. Examples: He is not there. He is not coming to the party. She is not surprised. She is not feeling well. It is not a good idea. It is not enough. And finally, they are not. We are not. You are not. Examples: They are not worried. They are not brothers. We are not at work. We are not late. You are not cooking dinner. You are not listening to me. Contractions or short forms. The short forms of negatives are made with an apostrophe T, except with I. Contractions. So instead of saying I am not, you can say I'm not to speak faster. And instead of saying he is, she is, it is, you can say he isn't, she isn't, it isn't. And instead of saying they are, we are, you are, you can say they aren't, we aren't, you aren't. Examples: I'm not crying. He isn't expected to work late. She isn't following the rules. The doorbell isn't ringing. Sam and Daniel aren't interested in sports. We aren't ready for the test. You aren't coming to the event. exercise. Complete using am not, isn't, or aren't. You can get a piece of paper to write your answers. Are you ready? Let's go. The instructions, clear. The toy, broken. She, ready to go. We, in the kitchen. They, taken any lessons today. You and I, aware of any updates. You, practicing your speech. I, happy with this job. He, getting enough sleep. My clothes, in the suitcase. The food, spicy. My dad and I, watching TV. So, are you ready to check your answers? Let's see. The instructions aren't clear. The toy isn't broken. She isn't ready to go. We aren't in the kitchen. They aren't taking any lessons today. You and I aren't aware of any updates. You aren't practicing your speech. I'm not happy with this job. He isn't getting enough sleep. My clothes aren't in the suitcase. The food isn't spicy. And finally, my dad and I aren't watching TV. Thank you a lot for watching my video. Hope you liked it and enjoyed your time. Don't forget to give me more examples of verb to be negative form in the present simple. And to write your score and exercise in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and share it too. If you're watching me for the first time, then you gotta subscribe to my channel to follow for more. See ya!